Hey, what's up everyone and welcome to Daily Code Buffer. In this video of JS Buffer, we are going to see the unshift function of an array. So unshift function is used to add the elements at the starting index of an array, and it will return the length of an array as a return value. So let's see the example. We'll just create the array over here. Constant numbers equals to 1, 2, 3, and we will use the constant length equals to numbers dot unshift, and here you can see that unshift defines as inserts new element at the start of an array and returns the new length of an array. This unshift function, we will add the values over here as 20. So 20 should be added at the first position and then 1, 2, 3. So let's print all those values, console.log length and console.log numbers as well. Okay, and let's run this. And here you can see that the length of the array is 4 and the values are 20, 1, 2, 3. And if you want to add multiple values, then we can add multiple values like 20, 21, 22. This way also we can add multiple values and those values will be added accordingly. If you run this again, you can see that we are getting these values over here. If you want to add the values as an array as well, we can add those values this way. So this will be the added as an array over here. So if you run this again, here you can see that this is the one element as an array and the remaining one is other values in an array. So this way we can use unshift function to add the elements at the starting position of an array. So that's it in this quick tutorial of unshift function in an array. I hope you like this video. Give us a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for the upcoming videos. I will see you in the next video. Until then, happy coding. Bye bye.